Hi everyone, welcome to Maths Par. This video is about finding mean of grouped data by step deviation method. Let us see with an example. If a frequency distribution is given like this, then how to find the mean of this given distribution by step deviation method? For finding the mean using step deviation method, what are the essential things required? Are first xi, the variate, then fi, frequency, then deviation, that is xi minus a, where a is the assumed mean, and next we write ui. Ui is nothing but di by c. What is this c? C is the class size. Then here, instead of having this as a separate column, you can directly have ui as xi minus a by c also. Then mean of given distribution can be found by writing it as a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into c. By using this formula, you will find the mean of given distribution by step deviation method. Let us solve. After preparing a table, let us write all the details what are given in the frequency distribution first. That is marks xi, number of students fi, then deviation is xi minus a, then ui is equal to di by c, then fi ui. So instead of writing these two columns, you can also have, as I said earlier, directly xi minus a by c also. Now 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then 2, 3, 5, 5, 4, 1. Now di is equal to xi minus a. Let us assume this 7 as assumed mean, that is a is nothing but 7. Then di is equal to xi minus a, that is 5 minus 7 minus 2, 6 minus 7 minus 1, 7 minus 7 0, 8 minus 7 1, 9 minus 7 2, 10 minus 7 3. Then here sigma fi is 20. Now ui is equal to di by c. Now here c is nothing but the class size. This, when class interval is given, you will do upper boundary minus lower boundary, but here there is no upper boundary and lower boundary given, marks are given. Now let us look at the variate. There is only one difference between the marks, so c can be considered here as 1. So c is considered here as 1. So minus 2 by 1 is minus 2, minus 1 by 1 is minus 1, 0 by 1 is 0, 1 by 1 1, 2 by 1 2, 3 by 1 3. Then fi ui. So strictly you should look at fi and ui only. So 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4, 3 into minus 1 minus 3, 5 into 0 0, 5 into 1 5, 4 into 2 8, 1 into 3 3. Now if you observe here, minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. Then if you add these 3, it is 16. So sigma fi ui is nothing but 16 minus 7, that is 9. Then mean by step deviation method is A plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into C. That is nothing but A 7 plus sigma Fi ui is 9 by 20 into C is 1. So here it is nothing but 7 plus 9 by 20. 9 by 20 is nothing but 0.45. So that is nothing but 7.45. So 7.45 is the mean of given distribution by step deviation method. So the importance of C we will know when we do a solution by class interval type of frequency distribution. Let us go ahead with that. When a frequency distribution is given with class intervals like this, let us find the mean by step deviation method. For that, let us prepare a table first. After preparing a table like this, let us write what information is given to us in the frequency distribution, that is marks in class intervals, that is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Then frequencies, this is Fi 2, 3, 5, 5, 4, 1. Then you need to find the mid value which plays a very important role here, that is 0 plus 10 by 2, 5, 10 plus 20 by 2, 15, 20 plus 30 by 2, 25, 30 plus 40 by 2, 35, 40 plus 50 by 2, 45, 50 plus 60 by 2, 55. Then di is equal to xi minus capital A, that is assumed mean. Then ui is nothing but di by c. Then fi ui. Now as I said earlier, now also I am telling, instead of these two columns you can have only one, that is directly for ui, which can be written as xi minus a by c. So now if I consider my assumed mean as 25 here, if I consider my assumed mean as 25 here, then di is equal to xi minus a, which is 5 minus 25, which is minus 20, 15 minus 25, minus 10, 25 minus 25, 0, 35 minus 25, 10, 45 minus 25, 20, 55 minus 25, that is 30. Then ui is equal to di minus c. Here what is c? Means class size. Upper boundary minus lower boundary. 10 minus 0, that is 10. Everywhere you see 20 minus 10, 10. 30 minus 20, 10. 40 minus 30, 10. 50 minus 40, 10. 60 minus 50, 10. So class size for the given frequency distribution is 10. Then minus 20 by 10, that is minus 2, minus 10 by 10, minus 1, 0 by 10, 0, 10 by 10, 1, 20 by 10, 2, 30 by 10, 3. So here first let us write sigma Fi, which is 20, then Fi ui. Strictly look at only these two columns, which are Fi and ui. 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, then 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 1, 5, 4 into 2, 8, 1 into 3, 3. Now if you add this minus 4 minus 3, it is minus 7. Then if you add this 3, it is plus 16. So sigma Fi ui is equal to 16 minus 7, that is 9. Then by step deviation method, Mean can be found by A plus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi into C, which is nothing but A 25 plus sigma Fi Ui is 9 by sigma Fi is 20 into C is 10. Now this is nothing but 25. Here 0, 0 get cancelled. 25 plus 9 by 2 is 4.5. So the result here is 29.5, which is nothing but the mean of given distribution with class intervals by step deviation method. Thank you.